The 3UR-FE engine is a prominent member of Toyota's UR engine family, featuring a 5.7-litre V8 configuration with an aluminum block and cylinder heads. This engine, the largest in the UR series, powers Toyota's heavy-duty vehicles such as the Tundra, Sequoia, Land Cruiser and Lexus LX 570. It was designed as a successor to the 4.7-litre 2UZ-FE, offering improved performance and capability. The 3UR-FE shares key design elements with other UR family engines like the 1UR-FE or FSE and 2UR-GSE or FSE. It features a 90-degree V8 layout with a bore pitch of 105.5mm and a 21.0mm cylinder bank offset. The engine's bore measures 94mm, while its stroke extends to 102.0mm, achieving a displacement of 5.7 litres. The engine's internal components are built for durability and strength. It has a forged steel crankshaft with 6 balance weights, forged connecting rods, and resin-coated aluminum alloy pistons. 4 oil jets within the block provide piston cooling through oil spray, enhancing thermal efficiency and longevity. The 3UR-FE's cylinder heads are crafted from aluminum alloy and house double overhead camshafts, DOHC. Each cylinder features 4 valves, 2 for intake and 2 for exhaust, actuated by roller rocker arms with hydraulic lifters for precise valve control. The engine's valve timing is managed by Toyota's dual VVTi system, enabling independent adjustment of both intake and exhaust camshaft angles for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. The timing system includes 2 primary chains driving the intake camshafts, with secondary chains connecting the intake camshafts to the exhaust camshafts. Hydraulic chain tensioners maintain proper tension using a combination of oil pressure and spring force. The 3UR-FE's intake manifold is made from durable plastic and incorporates Toyota's acoustic control induction system, ACIS. This system adjusts the length of intake runners based on engine speed, optimizing airflow for improved performance. The engine also features an electronically controlled throttle body, ETCS-I, and a sequential fuel injection, SFI, system. Airflow is monitored by a slot-type airflow meter, which includes a built-in intake air temperature sensor. Ignition is managed by Toyota's direct ignition system, DIS, employing individual coil packs for each cylinder. The spark plugs are iridium-tipped, ensuring long service intervals and reliable ignition performance. The engine is equipped with 421 stainless steel exhaust manifolds, which minimize exhaust gas interference and enhance mid-range torque. To comply with stringent emissions standards, the 3UR-FE features dual ceramic 3-way catalytic converters and an exhaust gas recirculation EGR system, ensuring cleaner exhaust emissions while maintaining engine efficiency. Overall, the Toyota 3UR-FE 5.7L engine stands out for its robust design, advanced technologies, and reliable performance in demanding applications. The Toyota 5.7-litre V8 3UR-FE engine stands out as one of the most reliable and long-lasting power plants in the UR engine family. Toyota conducted extensive durability testing, accumulating over 1.3 million kilometers before releasing it to the market. With proper maintenance, including using premium fuel and oil, the 3UR-FE can easily surpass 400,000 miles, 650,000 kilometers of trouble-free operation. However, even this well-engineered engine has its challenges. One notable issue is piston oil ring coking, which can lead to increased oil consumption over time. To minimize this risk, it's crucial to stick to the manufacturer's recommended oil type and regularly monitor the oil level. Additionally, the engine's crankcase ventilation sensor is prone to failure, and the ETCS-I, electronic throttle control system, has been reported as less reliable than expected. Another common problem is the water pump, which tends to develop leaks prematurely, often requiring replacement around 60,000 miles, 100,000 kilometers, a characteristic shared with other engines in the UR series. With attentive care and timely maintenance, the 3UR-FE remains a dependable engine known for its impressive longevity.